No.
Hey, it's alright. She can hold it. It's just when it goes into her mouth, it's not good. Leave it alone. No.
No. Don't eat it. Mommy took it away from her.
I know.
That's not very helpful.
It was very helpful.
No more grass for you. Nope. What did I? Green do go. Blue here to my mom. No. Don't eat at my sword.
What are you doing, Macy? Out here on an adventure?
Here, Princess.
Excuse me?
Drink this.
It's empty. I think you mean do the dishes, and that's not nice.
Mom, maybe pick the 2 green peppers, Mom?
Go ahead. Go ahead and pick the
Okay.
peppers.
This one big
She
one
set herself up. What'd you find? What'd you find? No.